Are you an individual or business owner and want to manage your Idaho taxes online 24/7? It's easy and secure with the Taxpayer Access Point, or TAP. Using TAP, you can file returns for most tax types, make payments, including for income tax, up to 90 days in advance, track your account history, request a payment plan, and more. You can open a TAP account now if we've processed at least one of your income tax returns, or you've registered your business through the Idaho business registration process. Ready to open a TAP account? Just go to tax.idaho.gov/go-to-tap and click Sign Up. For the registration code question, leave No selected and click Next. In the UR field, select the option that applies to you. If you have a taxpayer identification number, or ITIN, select that option. In the next field, enter your Social Security number, or ITIN. Type your name and the zip code you used on your return or permit. Then, enter your email and confirm it. Finally, click Submit, and then click OK in the window that appears. Now, it's time to wait. In about 5 to 7 business days, you'll get a letter containing your registration code through the U.S. Postal Service. We send a letter to your mailing address on file to keep your registration code secure. When you get the letter, go back to tax.idaho.gov/go-to-tap and click Sign Up again. This time, select Yes for the registration code and click Next. Enter your registration code. Then, fill out the remaining fields the same way you filled them out when you first registered for your TAP account. When finished, click Next. You'll see a screen asking you to set up your username, password, recovery question, and phone number. You'll also see a section for your bank information. Fill it out now, or choose Skip to do it later. Then click Submit, and then click OK in the window that appears. The confirmation screen shows that you have an account. Click OK to go to the TAP login page again. Enter the username and password you just created and click Login. You'll be prompted to set up two-factor authentication, or 2FA. This is required. You can receive the code through an authentication app, as a text message, or through email. The shortest wait time is with the authentication app. Whichever method you choose, complete the required information and save it. The software sends you a code through your chosen method. Enter the code in the space provided and click Confirm. Your account opens and you see your TAP homepage with any tax accounts you have and their balances. Now you're ready to start using TAP. Have questions? Go to tax.idaho.gov/taphelp or call us at 208-334-7660 or toll free at 800-972-7660.